This slide introduces the section on mobile content strategies, setting the stage to explore how engaging and relevant content within mobile apps can drive user interaction and retention. Content strategies should align with users' needs, enhancing the overall experience and supporting marketing goals. Marketers should strategically select content that resonates with their audience. This includes testimonials, consumer experiences, factual data, user generated content, and localized content to cater to diverse audiences. These types of content build trust and engagement. On the other hand, marketers should avoid creating content purely for search optimization, as this would dilute the user experience. Keyword stuffing, app names created solely for SEO, and intrusive content can all negatively impact consumer perception and interaction. Tone and voice play a crucial role in creating engaging mobile content. Content should align with the brand's voice, catering specifically to the target audience. Often, a conversational style proves effective for mobile apps. Personalization further enhances content relevance, making the app experience more engaging for users. However, over-personalization can be off-putting, especially when it relates to sensitive topics or personal products. Visual and interactive content often has a stronger impact than textual content, particularly when helping consumers visualize products. Here we see Lowe's using an interactive tool for paint color selection, allowing customers to virtually explore colors within a room's setting. Interactive content like this not only enhances user experience, but also leads customer closer to making purchasing decisions, as seen with the customize and buy call to action that guides users to the next step. Augmented reality, AR, offers a compelling tool for brands looking to showcase products in context. With AR, consumers can virtually place items within their own spaces, as shown in IKEA Place, where users can view furniture in a room setting before purchase. AR enhances trust and satisfaction as customers can visualize the product's compatibility with their space. The digital tool helps increase conversion rates and overall user engagement. Content length and placement within mobile apps requires careful consideration due to limited screen space. Marketers should prioritize concise messages using short, clear wording. Hyperlinks can be used for more in-depth content. Placing crucial content in high-traffic areas within the app maximizes user interaction and ensures essential information is easily accessible. Branded text messages, which include brand names, logos, or other assets, can help reinforce brand recognition and trust. For example, Gerb's Supermarkets uses branded text to notify customers that their orders are ready. This prominent display of the logo not only confirms the order's status, but also strengthens the brand's presence in consumers' minds for future interactions.